guys, so I've had my mini twists or medium twists anyone for a week now, so I'm here to show you 9 cute fun ways I like to style it as a lazy girl that just cannot deal with any tension on my scalp. Before we start, like this video and subscribe. I also filmed how I installed this twist on my transitioning hair using synthetic extensions, so check it out to see how I blended the extensions with my hair almost seamlessly. Alrighty, let's get into it. The first style is just wearing it down in a center part. It's so cute and freeing, no tension, and I can just wake up, spray my hair with water and keep it moving and know I still look cute. The second style is a half up, half down with pigtails. It's very easy. I just divide the front into 2 sections, tie them with rubber bands, then cover the rubber bands with one of my twists. I only tie it as tight as I can handle, and it's so cute. This style makes me feel so cool, like I watch anime even though I don't. Who's that girl? Who's that girl? What's poppin'? I don't want to say it makes me look childish, because as I've discovered recently, we only think that because the last time we wore our natural hair was when we were children. There's nothing really childish about these styles. They're just really cute and different. The next hairstyle is just wearing it to the side. This is actually how I wear it the most. I basically just swoop the front to whatever side I feel flatters my asymmetric face that day. Girls that get it, get it. You know what, actually it's always the same side. My asymmetrical face girlies get it. It's so easy and cute. And that's so me. Easy and cute. Wait, pause. I'm not laying my edges right now because I don't want all that wax on my hair. For a video only 50 people are going to watch. Child, content creation is the ghetto. The ghetto. Anyway, yeah, to the side, she's cute. She's very cute. We love her. Next, a basic half up, half down for when I don't want to wear my hair up, but I don't want my hair in my face either. I just section from front to back and tie the front in a ponytail. I like how the little ponytail looks spiky, like a little pineapple. Makes it look interesting, you know, like a sexy little pineapple. Why am I like this? So yeah, brushing because I don't want to lay my edges, honey. But yeah, she's cute. Is she alter? Maybe, I don't know. Just rock with me, guys. Anyway, let's move to the next style, which is a top bun. I rarely wear my hair like this because it's too much tension for me, but the trick is to only make it as tight as I can handle. But even with that, I don't keep this hairstyle for too long or I'll start getting dizzy for real. One thing for sure is it's great for a quick facelift. A top bun will snatch your face and your edges if you're not careful. If I want to add some pizzazz to this style, I leave out some twists in the front and add an accessory. Next, we're doing low buns, which is definitely my go-to style. So we can do a low bun and leave some twist outs in the front, which is cute and very lazy girl friendly. Like you're just a girl and the leave outs are you putting in effort today. I secure the bun with a rubber band first, then I add the scrunchie. I got the scrunchie from Imonestras on Instagram. Please check them out. Or we could do a regular low bun. A regular, schmegular, reliable low bun. I would have done a better low bun for this video, but I was already getting tired at this point. Whoop-de-doo. I did say I was a lazy girl, but she's still cute. She's cute, don't play. I'm still not over how natural this twist look, even though I added synthetic kinky bulk. And for the finale, I love a good 3-bun mohawk. But this is for when I'm going somewhere for real, like a function. A function, like a little shindig, you know? But you can definitely wear this to work or class. And it's so easy to do. Just section the hair into 3 and put each section in a bun. That's it. That's all. Such an easy slay. Can I lay my edges down now? Slick down my widow's peak. You will really see the beauty of this hairstyle. But yeah, it's very cute. I love. And there you have it, 9 ways to wear your mini twist. Quick, cute, and no stress. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.